Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications to never miss a brand new video again. Hey guys, Javian here. So I permed my hair a few days ago and this is how the results look like. It wasn't done professionally, I did it with my friend at home. And the curl wasn't too bad, I think. It's sort of wavy right now. This is how my hair looks like right after the shower. You know, if you compare with my previous photos of how my hair looks like, it was more straight, more, you know, just like a mushroom kind of look. But today you can see that there's some more texture in my hair. And this is all thanks to the perm. So I'll give you the front view, the left view, the right view. I didn't really do much to the back of my hair because my hair was too short. To get the best results for a perm, you really want to grow your hair as long as possible before doing it. The thing is, when your hair is too short, it doesn't really hold the curl. I can give an example. Let's just say that this is a curling rod and you want to curl your hair. So you get some of your hair and you want to curl it like this, right? But when your hair is too short, it doesn't wrap around enough times on the curling rod, resulting in not curly hair. So if you want curlier hair, grow your hair longer. If you don't want curly hair, you want some sort of wavy hairstyle like this, then it's totally fine to just curl your short hair. So without further ado, let's begin the tutorial on how to perm your hair. As long as it's curly, right? And then with the solution, it's just like...
it just needs to...
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it.
Wait, one sec.
Just a disclaimer that I'm not a professional hair barber or anything, so all my instructions are just from my own personal experience. Anyway, to start off, I really recommend you to wash your hair with some shampoo on the same day. By doing this, you are stripping your hair oil on your head and this just helps you get a better perming result. If you don't shampoo, it will actually prevent the perming process to work its best. After that, you can start using the rods to start the curling hair process. This stage is a little different depending on which curling rod you have. For some of them, you have to add an additional end paper where it will help the hair strands stay nice and smooth. In our case, we bought this curling rod on Amazon that already had some foam roller sponge type on it, so this acts as a thing that soaks up any excess waving solution that we will be putting in our hair. So now we're in the washroom and you can see us adding the waving solution anywhere we want on the rod itself. There's no point adding the waving solution on your hair if there's no curling rod on it because it will curl nothing. So yeah, just put it on the curling rod itself. Make sure to cover your eyes and forehead with a cloth, a towel, tissue paper. Do not forget this step because the waving solution will actually burn your skin. There was some of this solution that dripped onto my forehead and it actually stung my forehead skin for quite a few days, guys, so just be careful. Also, get ready to smell like rotten eggs because you're actually smelling the ammonia that is used to break down the chemical bonds in your hair. This breakdown action is what makes it curly or wavy at the end. After applying the waving solution, you can wear a shower cap or tie a plastic bag around your hair. This is to keep the natural heat inside and just wait the recommended time on the box for the solution to set in your hair. We waited about 20 minutes and while we waited, we ate some delicious durian. So I'm from Malaysia and durian has always been a part of my life growing up. Try it and you'll see what I mean. It's so delicious. Next, you want to rinse out your hair and then use a towel to dry the hair. You can now add the neutralizer to the hair on the curling rods. You definitely have to use the neutralizer because it will help you rebond the hair structure again. This is what makes your hair soft and shiny, and it also smells nice, much nicer than the waving solution. Once you finish applying it, you can wait another 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing it all off and taking out the curling rods. Do not use a comb at this stage because it will undo all the curly action that you perm your hair for. However, you can use your fingers to scrunch up your hair. You can also use a blow dryer if you want to, but make sure you do everything in a delicate manner because your hair is now heavily damaged. Just gonna give you guys some pointers, which is not to get your hair wet for at least 48 to 72 hours after perming your hair. Make sure you use lots of conditioner once you can shower again, and also use hair oil if you wish. If you want to use the same perming and curling rods products that I used, I've linked the Amazon products in the description so you can buy the same one as well. And that's it, guys, you have now permed your hair. Here you can see us showing you our results. My friend here has better results than me because his hair was longer, so there was just more hair to work with. However, he also dyed his hair not too long ago, so his hair right now is really damaged and dry. My results are less drastic than his, but you can still see some results in the fact that my hair strands are not straight anymore. They are wavy.
This is Javen's work so far.
Oh,
Javen's work, man. This is why he's a hair guy. This is why he's a hair guy.
it looks better than I thought. Wow.
Yeah, I hope yours has some results. Yeah. Alright, alright.
Okay.
Now we go. Yeah, a little bit. Not completely like waste. Yeah, a little bit.
All right, let's see it.
A little bit, eh?
I think. Oh, wait, 1 second.
A little bit.
Let me pat it down first.
No, like it has some volume now, you know?
What do you think?
Yeah, there's actually some volume now.
Think so?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, it's a little bit, yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah, I feel it's a little curly.
Yeah. No, I feel like if you style it, if we dry it,
Yeah.
it'll be not bad. Alright. There's some texture for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see there's some waves. So add some hair oil.
What is this?
This is
The
some hair
Moroccan
oil.
sleek.
Exactly.
Okay.
Moroccan sleek. That's a bit much.
All right.
Yeah. Just put it all over. Because it will end.
It will rejuvenate your hair.
Yeah.
It
No,
feels-
there's definitely more. Dude.
Whoa.
Right?
It's pretty nice.
Dude, there is some.
Yeah, like, this is exactly what I want actually. 'Cause
Yeah.
I don't want it to be too frizzy,
Yeah,
too
yeah.
like, wavy, right?
Because your hair used to be flat, like
Yeah.
flat.
See, now it's like.
Well, wait, let's do it before, after. Before, I'll pop it on the screen. After, look, there's some volume for sure. Look, there's some volume, dude. It's more like Korean oppa, is it?
Yeah. Yeah. I mean,
Right?
the key is you don't want to shower for a few days, and after that you can shower with shampoo.
Yes. So no shower. Let's go.
Yeah. This is what we look like after perming our top hair. James, what do you think?
Yes, I'm happy with him, man. He is definitely a professional. He's definitely the hair guy. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Thanks for all your
Yeah.
help. And I hope you're happy with yours too.
Yeah, I like it too. So James did a good job. It's not super curly, which is what I wanted. Yeah, so after 3 days, you want to wash your hair. Can you also use your conditioner now or any of your oil? What oil do you use just now?
Mine was a Garnier Moroccan Sleek Oil. It was the cheapest oil I can find in the drugstore.
Yeah, so just remember guys that your hair now is super damaged. So don't do too much rubbing of your hair with a towel. But you can scrunch your hair a little bit just to make your hair texture pop up more. Hope you guys learned a thing or two in this video. Perming my hair, honestly, I did not think I would like it that much. But the additional texture it has given me has made me think that I want to do it again in the future. I have plans of going to Korea maybe in the future for vacation. So maybe if I go there, I can do a Korean perm. And speaking of Korea, I guess my hair is kind of growing out again and it sort of looks like a 2-block, don't you think? So I guess this is like a short 2-block hairstyle in a way. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time. Off topic, but this sweater was actually made in 2009 as you can tell. And this was my primary school sweater. So as you can see, I didn't really grow much since that time. I can still fit this sweater. This was made for me when I was supposed to be like 11 or 12 years old. And at the back of it, there's all the signatures of all the people. I don't know if you guys do this in other schools, but here in Canada, people do this. So you can see here. See if you guys can spot my signature. Anyway, peace.